What is YouTube automation? A faceless YouTube channel or YouTube automation are terms which are often used interchangeably with each other, but there is a slight difference. It is important to understand the difference between the two before we move on in this course. Let us break down the concepts so we are all clear about it. Creating a faceless YouTube channel is the first step in the YouTube automation process. Let us quickly recap that in a faceless channel, we do not show our face. However, there is a script, a voiceover, audio effects, background music, and matching video visuals. We simply create a video but without using or showing our face. This is what is known as a faceless YouTube channel. Over time, as your channel grows, you get busy with creating more and more content, often resulting in posting up to 5 to 7 videos per day, which is quite common. We showed a practical example of this concept in the previous chapter of this course. Given that we have only 24 hours in a day, there is a limitation in the amount of content that we can produce. This limitation is further compounded if we are managing more than one YouTube channel. Therefore, in order to make things more manageable and easier, we can outsource the entire process, which includes the script writing, voice over recording, video creation, video editing, and thumbnail creation process. The outsourcing of the above tasks is done through freelancers on websites like Upwork and Fiverr, where you can literally find thousands of video creators, video editors, voiceovers artists, thumbnail designers, etc. We have to hire and assemble a team of freelancers, each specializing in their respective fields, rather than relying on a single individual. The freelancers that you will hire are going to create content in a faceless manner, meaning that they are not going to show their face in front of the camera. When you undertake this entire process of outsourcing the various aspects of video creations and compilation for a faceless YouTube channel, it is referred to as YouTube automation. YouTube automation also includes the use of artificial intelligence or AI software for different tasks, such as generation of voiceovers, images, videos, and even for writing of the script. The utilization of freelancers and AI software is precisely what makes YouTube automation highly scalable. There is no limit to the amount of content that you can generate for your channel. For example, when you make a movie, you need a producer. A producer does not act. He does not write the script or use his voice for voiceovers, does not make decisions on the best camera angles, etc. The producer is responsible for overall management of the entire movie. This includes all aspects of the production process, such as hiring key personnel, actors, crew, sound technicians, makeup artists, ensuring deadlines and budgets are adhered to. In YouTube automation, as the channel owner, you assume the role of a producer for a team of freelancers. You provide direction to the freelancing team and oversee the entire process of video creation. You do not create any content yourself, but instead manage the group of individuals who actually do it. This is the essence of what YouTube automation is. All the videos that you have seen so far in this master course are also an example of YouTube automation. This course aims to demonstrate that YouTube automation is achievable, and that it can be done, rather than just talking and discussing about the process, like so many other courses out there. Talk is cheap, but doing something is much more challenging. However, if you follow the steps outlined in the course, your YouTube journey will become much more easier. We have actually implemented and maintained YouTube automation throughout the duration of the entire course. How can we expect you to invest in this course without first demonstrating the effectiveness of YouTube automation ourselves? In this masterclass, we don't just tell you what to do, we actually show you how to do it. As you progress in this course, we will show you all the necessary tools that you will need to create your own YouTube automation channel.